Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain what is RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation. I will explain you this concept with an example of prominent lawyer who has spent years learning all the rules in the rule book. So here it goes. One day his secretary requested update on Rahul's case. The lawyer thought for a while, but he was unable to provide an answer to her. So now the question is why he was unable to give an answer although he was an expert in his field. The answer is although he was an expert, but, but this was a real-time question and during his training he was trained for all kind of rules but he was not trained for real-time questions. Now suppose he had a robot assistant who updated him with all real-time scenarios, then with his expertise and the real-time data, he could have been in a better position. And this is how exactly RAG works. In this image, in the first case, a query has been asked by the user and the AI system answers the question by using its LLM, which is also called the brain of any AI system and is trained till the cutoff date. The response provided by the LLM could be outdated data and could also be potentially a hallucinated answer since the answer is provided only by the internal knowledge database. Now in the second image, we have upgraded the AI system with a retrieval system which has the capacity to fetch real-time data. So now when the question is asked, the retrieval system connects the user query and the external knowledge and sends the combined information to the pre-trained LLM. This makes the LLM provides a better response which is contextually relevant and factually accurate response. I hope so. With this legal research analogy, you must have understood how the RAG system works. If you like the video, please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.